Have you ever laid back and looked up at the night sky and wondered just what are stars made of? I'm Wendy Sadler from Cardiff University and Science Made Simple, and today I'm going to tell you all about an amazing astronomer who discovered just that, and her name is Cecilia Payne-Gaposchkin이. In the 1920s, Cecilia made a massive breakthrough in astronomy by using a technique that's still used today called spectroscopy. She could look at the colours coming from the sun and different stars and work out just what they were made of. These glasses have plastic in them that acts like a spectroscope. In fact, we say it's a diffraction grating. It has lots and lots of tiny lines which act a bit like lots of really small prisms. And what they do is they split up the colours of the light into all the component colours. And according to what the light is made of or what elements are in the light, you get different patterns of colour. So using these glasses, we can replicate the experiment that Cecilia did. And over here, I've got some gas lights that have different gases in them. So this one we've got in at the moment is a neon gas. It's very bright orange, and you've probably heard of neon from road signs and things like that. And if we put the glasses on, and if you sort of move your head around, you get quite a nice effect. What you should be able to see is the orange colour gets split up into all its component colours. So you should be able to see three distinct stripes. I can see a very clear sort of red, orange and yellow coming out of there, but there's very little green or blue. It's very, very faint. So actually, if you look at this light and you see that spectrum, you know that the thing you're looking at contains neon. So I've changed the tubes over now, and we've put in helium gas this time. So it looks a slightly different colour. Helium you'll know from party balloons. But if we put the glasses on, have a look, you can see that it spreads out the spectrum again, and we see different colours to the neon one we just looked at. And I can see some red, yellow, blue, maybe a little bit of green. But there's quite big gaps between the colours, unlike the neon. So it's very specific to this gas. So we've swapped for a nitrogen light now, and you see it's a nice pink colour here. Let's see what it looks like with the glasses on. Oh, and you've got quite a lot of colours in this one. And I can see red, some blue, green, but there is some gaps I can see between the yellow and the green. So you've got a very specific pattern of colours. And if you're an astronomer using this technique, you'd see that pattern and you'd be able to tell that there's nitrogen in that object you're looking at. So thanks to this technique discovered by Cecilia, we were able to work out that most of the stars in the universe are made of hydrogen and helium. In fact, hydrogen is the most prominent element in the universe. So next time you're lying back on a grassy bank looking up at the stars and wondering what they're made of, we can thank Cecilia for finding out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for lots more great content. And if you want to find out about FameLab, the world's leading science communication competition, then click the link for more information. Thanks for watching.